Pinaka Pi 2-20, 800W 20mm black-blue rotary hammer drill with variable speed. Key features: easy mobility, sturdy side rails, power lock switch, user-friendly controls, forward/reverse switch, tightening or loosening screws, operate machine at fixed speed. Specifications: 800W power input, 20mm chuck size, 850 RPM no load speed, 20mm drilling capacity. Specifications: 220 voltage, 50 Hz frequency, 24.5 by 36.8 by 10.2 cm, weighs at 3.5 kilograms. Thanks for watching.